Hello, Sci-Fi here. Hope you all are well and fine. Today I will tell you about asteroids and comets. In this video, I will tell you about their formation, their characteristics, and how could we defend our Earth from such unwelcome visitors. So let us begin our video without wasting any more time. Asteroids are chunks of rock that orbit the Sun and wander around the solar system. They are the rubble left over from the solar system's formation, roughly 4.6 billion years ago. An asteroid is made of the same stuff under your feet: rock, bits of metal, maybe some carbon. Scientists estimate that millions of these pint-sized planetoids orbit the Sun in the asteroid belt, a stretch of space between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Some scientists believe the asteroid belt is from the rubble of a planet that never formed. The largest asteroid, Ceres, is nearly 600 miles, that is 966 km across. Others range in size down to 20 feet, that is 6 meters wide. Some asteroids are large enough to have their own moons. Many are more like piles of rubble moving through space, squadrons of small rocks held together by their own gravitational attraction. Yes, it is dangerous to face an asteroid attack. It is believed that an asteroid may have wiped out the dinosaurs. NASA has identified 90% of all near-Earth objects large enough to cause catastrophic damage if they struck our planet. So far, we are in the clear. Yeah, it is true that gold is present on those rocks. In fact, a company called Planetary Resources plans to send robot miners to the asteroid belt. Like asteroids, comets are leftovers from the formation of our solar system, but they are made of different stuff. Each is an irregular ball of icy slush, frozen gases, and dark minerals. Comets originate far out in the solar system, some from the Kuiper belt of icy bodies beyond the orbit of Neptune, and others from a more distant region known as Oort cloud. Caesar's comet. This one-time visitor was heralded by the Romans to mark the assassination of Julius Caesar in 44 BC. Today, astronomers debate whether the comet actually existed. Halley's Comet is the most famous of all comets. British astronomer Edmund Halley was the first to realize that comets are periodic. Halley's Comet last passed close to Earth in February 1986, and it is not due for its next visit until July 2061. Shoemaker Levy 9. Discovered in modern times, this heavenly body demonstrated the destructive power of comets when it broke apart and slammed into the gas giant Jupiter in 1994, creating dark marks up to twice the size of Earth in the planet's atmosphere. In 2013, NASA announced its grand challenge to locate any nasty asteroids heading our way and prevent their impact. Rock stopping includes nuking it, ramming it, blasting it, redirecting it. Nuking an asteroid includes attacking the asteroid with a nuclear missile and smashing the asteroid into the space dust. In ramming an asteroid, a rocket is launched directly into the asteroid to break it in half or divert its course. In blasting an asteroid, we need to target the asteroid with a space-based laser to vaporize it before it gets too close. In redirecting an asteroid, again a rocket is launched to the asteroid surface to change its direction so it misses its target, that is Earth. Now it's time to say goodbye. Hope you all have enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestion or question regarding the video, then feel free to ask in the comment box. Till goodbye, take care.